Welcome to Making Time for Health. This is Intro Session 1. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic concepts of collecting and organizing. In group session this week, we will cover how to apply these concepts in an easy and practical way. Let's start with the concept of collecting. For this tutorial, you will need a piece of scratch paper and a pen or pencil. There are hundreds of things that you want to, need to, could, or should do. It takes a little bit of energy to remember each thing, and that can wear you down. This is where we start. The first step is to get it all out and write it all down. Write everything down in one place. That place is the stuff list, which we will work with in session this week. Really write everything down. To-dos, errands, large projects, ideas, dreams, future plans, song names, etc. Literally, everything that is on your mind, write it down as it comes to you. Whether it is something that has to be done for school, work, or family, write it all on the same list. The keys at this point are, do not prioritize, and write it all down as it comes to you. When we prioritize too soon, we tend to focus on a few things and forget the others. It's important to get everything down first. Collecting is the first step. Now, let's move on to organizing. When it comes to organizing, you have to make one simple decision: yes or no. Look at the list you just made, and for each item, decide in the next week, yes, I will do something about this, or no, I will not do something about this. Don't worry about how you will do it. Just decide for yourself if this is something you need or want to do. Remember, this is not yes or no forever, just within the next week. As we go further, what you say yes and no to will become more clear. Take a few minutes to go through your list and decide yes or no. For the moment, we will focus on your yes list only. Now that you have decided what needs to get done, let's break this list down into two categories: projects and next actions. We use simple definitions for these terms. Projects are items that take longer than 2 minutes and take more than one step to do. Next actions are everything else. Next actions take 2 minutes or less, take one step, and are the very next visible, physical activities. Go through your yes list and sort each item based on these two categories. Every project has a next action, meaning every project has a very next step you can take. Try to figure the next action for each of your projects. Some next actions are just small tasks that need to be done and will not be connected to a project. In Making Time for Health, we focus on next actions and work from this list. When working with your next actions, the key is to trust your gut. Use your intuition to decide what to work on next. A few items will jump out at you as things you can or should do. Do the next actions that feel right to you. These are the basic concepts for collecting, organizing, and working with your yes items. You can use these concepts today to organize everything you have to do and begin working with them. Remember to attend the group session this week. In the group session, we will cover how to apply these concepts, creating good next actions, and using the Excel template as an essential tool to getting organized. Check your newsletter for the date and time of your session.